Let's talk Flashquotes quote templates. Quote templates can be found under templates and quotes. You'll see I've got a handful of templates here. A quote template is essentially a way to lay out your quote information with specific images, detailed information, social proof like reviews and review count and star rating, and then add-ons that might be available to add on this specific quote template. It's designed to be beautiful. It's high converting. We do a lot of research here at Flashquotes to make sure that people see this, are compelled, and hit book now. And you can have different quote templates for different situations. For example, you might want a quote template for weddings or a quote template for corporate events. Maybe you want a quote template that's unique to your service, like maybe a coffee service for espresso bar might have a different quote template from, say, a drip coffee service. So these are all configured here under templates and quotes, and you can see a mobile and desktop view of that template. And anytime you have a quote template, that template is then available in your quotes. So if I go to my pipeline, I'll click on this quote for our classic John Elway with the Denver Broncos. You can see this has drip coffee and matcha. Under the quote details, there's a quote template picker. And so we will always choose the default quote template here, but then you can change it to different templates and we'll show those based off their name. And so I've just changed it to a different quote template. This one is not configured with any images, but if I chose something that was different, I would see images and details that are relevant to that specific quote template. So that is Flashquotes quote templates.